Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to customize the AutomateWoo abandoned cart email templates using a YayMail plugin. This is the basic structure of the WooCommerce email templates, and we can customize this email template using the YayMail plugins. Using YayMail, you can customize the abandoned cart email template just like this. You can add your logo here, you can add some text. You can also offer coupon codes in the email template so that customer will go to the cart again and they will make purchase using the coupon codes. You can give them additional discount on the purchase. You can change the color settings. You can customize the email templates according to your website requirement. You can also show the products in the cart that they abandoned. You can add promotional banners. You can also add feature products in the customized email templates. So let's see how we can customize the AutomateWoo abandoned cart email templates using a YayMail. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and we are using WooCommerce on this website. We are also using the AutomateWoo plugin. This is a powerful marketing automation plugin for WooCommerce store. It is going to automate the marketing for your WooCommerce store. In this video, we are going to see how we can customize the email template that will be sent by this AutomateWoo plugin. And for this, we are going to use a YayMail plugin. Let me show you the plugins that I have installed here. Here you will see I'm using YayMail Pro, the WooCommerce email customizer plugin. I also have the YayMail add-on for conditional logic. If you want to use conditional logic in email templates, then you can use the YayMail add-on for conditional logic. And I'm also using the YayMail add-on for the AutomateWoo plugin. So this plugin is going to help you customize the email template for the AutomateWoo. All right, let's go to the AutomateWoo and let me show you a workflow that I have created for the cart abandoned. So this is the workflow. You can create a new workflow. Let me show you this workflow. Go to edit. And the trigger point will be cart abandoned. If someone abandons the cart, then it is going to send an email. So this is the trigger point when someone abandons the cart. There are different trigger points that you can select. In this example, we are going to select cart abandoned. Now, I have not added any rule here. It is simply the cart abandoned. There is no rule for this one. And what actions we are going to take? This is the first action, send email to the customer. So we are going to send email to the person who has abandoned the cart. This is the customer email. You will find the variables here, short codes for the variables here. Reply to, I'm not going to enter anything. This is the subject line. Your cart is waiting, and so is your additional 10% off. So when the user has abandoned the cart, we are going to send an email to the customer, and this will be the subject line, and we are going to offer 10% additional discount to the customer. Okay, here you can add the email heading, email pre-header template. So we are going to use the WooCommerce default. Here I'm going to select WooCommerce default, and I have added some content here, just the name of the customer and your cart is waiting. And now we are going to customize this template. So this is the workflow that I have created for the cart abandon. Now let's go to WooCommerce and go to email customizer. You will find this option when you have the YayMail plugin installed on your website. Now this is the default WooCommerce email template. We are going to customize this one. Now from here you can select different email templates. If I scroll down, I can see cart abandoned. I'm going to select that one, and this is the default one. Now here we are going to customize this template. This is the logo at the top. So I'm going to change this logo. I'm going to use my own logo. So here you can select this logo or the image, click on change image. And from here you can select your own logo. Use this logo. All right, so this is the logo of the website. You can increase the size or decrease the size from here. If you want to change the background color, you can simply select this section. You will see the background color here. You can change it to, let's say, white. Okay, so this is the background color. Now below that we have email heading. Here you can enter the heading for the email, change the background color. So I'm going to change this background color. You can select that section and you will see all the settings here in the left hand side panel. So let's add some email heading here. I'm going to use the same email heading. So here you will see the option, your cart is waiting. All right, let's go to the next section. I'm going to delete this section. We will add some new sections here. All right, so this is the section. Here we are going to add some text. Let's increase the size. Let's go to the section and let's change the bottom padding to 50. All right, so this one looks good. If you want to change the background color, you can change the background color. Let's change it to blue. I just want to show you how does this work. You can change the background color or the style settings according to your requirement, according to the color combination of your website. We saved your cart. This is the message here, and we are going to add some more text here. All right, so this is an additional text. Now we want to show the cart that has been abandoned, so we are going to show them this is your cart. These are the cart products. So I'm going to add new section here. These are the basic. Go to general, get one column. Let's add some padding here. Select the section. Top padding, let's say 30. Bottom will be 30. And here you can add new shortcut that we need to add here. So I'm going to select basic. So this is your card. We have some text here. I'm going to delete the text. Now we need to add some shortcode for the cart. So here you will see all shortcodes. You can select the shortcode that you want to add into the email template. Let's see. Here you will see the shortcode for the AutomateWoo. Let's use this one, order items. So I'm going to select this one, copy it, and let's paste it here just below this your cart. Let's add some spacing. So in this section, it is going to show the cart. In this section, we can offer them a new coupon that will give them 10% off. So we need to add some content here. So I'm going to use another column just below this one. Let's change the background color. Let's add the text. And we are saying that we have created a coupon code which they can use to get additional 10% off. So we are offering 10% off coupon. This is the coupon code that they can use. All right, so we have given them 10% additional coupon code. This is the cart. All right, just below this, we are going to add, let's say, simple banner. So let's click on it, drag it and drop it here. And you will see a new banner here. You can change the background color or you can change the background image. Right now it is using image. You can change this image. Here you can change the content. I'm not going to change it. I just want to show you how you can use the banner to add to the email template. This is the content. You can change it from here. This is pretty basic. You just need to edit the content. If you want to change this button, you can change the button text. You will see the button color. You can change that too. Change it to blue. And this is the link for the button. So it will go to this page. Now below that, we are going to add, let's say, a simple offer. Click on, and this is the offer. Get extra 10%. In this case, we are going to use extra 10%. So this is the coupon code. All right, below this you have this footer. We are going to change it. We are going to change the name only. Let's delete this one and let's add change the color. Let's change the background color also. All right, so this one looks good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this and it should be activated. You need to activate using this button, otherwise it is not going to use this template. So we have customized the email template, and this is the template which will be used when someone abandons the cart. Let's see how does this work. So I'm going to the shop, and here I'm logged in as a user. Let's go to the shop and let's add some products into the cart. Let's add this one, this one. This is a dummy website, so I'm going to add some products from this website. So we have got 5 products Let's go to checkout, and here you will see the details. Now I'm not going to buy these products. I'm going to abandon the cart. So leave it as it is. Let's go back and let me show you some settings here for the AutomateWoo. Right, so I'm back to the dashboard of the WordPress website, and let's go to AutomateWoo settings. Now let's go to carts. So these are the basic settings of the AutomateWoo plugin. Now here I have already set the timeout for the abandoned cart to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes of inactivity on the cart, it is going to mark it as abandoned cart. By default, the time is 15 minutes. I have changed the abandoned cart timeout to 5 minutes so that I can show you how does this work. So after 5 minutes, if there is no activity on the cart, it is going to send this email. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you will see that it shows there is one active cart. So someone has some products in the cart. This is the cart which is active. So we need to wait for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, it is going to mark it as abandoned cart. Meanwhile, we can see the workflow here. If I go to active carts, it will show this is the cart. It is still active 3 minutes ago. And how many items are there? There are 5 items. If you click on this one, it will show which items are there in the cart. So it will show all the details of the active cart. And this is the cart total. So it is still active. Let's go back to dashboard. So I think it is more than 5 minutes. Now let me refresh the dashboard. Now you can see that the active cart is 0 and it has gone through the workflow. So it has marked the active cart as the abandoned cart after 5 minutes. So if I go to workflow, you will see the run count is 1. If I click here, it will show the logs. Okay, it shows it has gone through this workflow, cart abandoned 57 seconds ago. If I click here, it will show send email. Email has been sent successfully. These are the details of the customer. So let's see if we have received the email. So now here you can see that I have already received the email from WooCommerce. And here you will see the email subject line that we have already mentioned in the workflow. And this is the customized email template for the cart abandoned. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's go back to the email customizer. And this is what we have created. Now, if you want to add more elements, more blocks, you can choose the block from here and you can add the blocks in the email template. You can also add the feature products in the email templates. So this is how you can customize the AutomateWoo cart abandoned email template using YayMail and YayMail add-on for AutomateWoo.